Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to log in to Docusign. Whether you're signing important documents or managing agreements, accessing your account is the first step to getting things done efficiently. Let's walk through this together. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to docusign.com. Simply type that into your address bar and hit enter. This will take you to the Docusign homepage, where you can access all the platform's features for electronic signatures and document management. Once you're on the Docusign homepage, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll see a button labeled Login. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials and access your account. Now you'll be presented with a field asking for your email address. Type in the email address that's associated with your Docusign account. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any login issues. After you've entered your email, look for the next button and click on it. This step helps Docusign identify your account and prepare the next stage of authentication. After clicking Next, the page will load and you'll see a password field appear. This is where you'll enter your Docusign password. Type it in carefully, paying attention to any uppercase or lowercase letters, as passwords are case sensitive. Once you've entered your password, locate the login button and click it. This final click will authenticate your credentials and grant you access to your Docusign account. And that's it. You've successfully logged into your Docusign account and can now access all your documents, manage signatures, and handle any agreements you need to work on. The login process is straightforward and secure, ensuring your important documents remain protected. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.